Hi, my name is Mary Beth Rich, and today I'm going over my Schoology course. So on my homepage, it lists all the classes that I'm currently teaching. So College Credit English 12 and then Honors 11. So for your class, you're going to click on Honors 11. There are two folders right now. Each month, I will have a different color folder, and then within that month will be each week. And so, for example, this upcoming week, you'll have the agenda for the week. There will always be that document that tells you what we're planning to do this week. There will be some sort of tutorial video that I will embed. For the beginning of school, it's just an introduction video. There will be your actual assignment, and then any other documents that you would need in order to do this week's assignments. I've also included, and this will always stay here, a resource folder. So if you need to find the course syllabus again, it's located here. If you need to see what our daily schedule is, that will be located. If you need to set up a conference with me, like a one-on-one Google Meet, then you're going to fill out this Google form. And you are going to fill out with your last name, your first name, what class, when you would like to schedule your conference, if you have a specific date for that conference, and then letting me know kind of what do you need help with. And you'll submit that, and I will check that daily at the end of the day so that I know when to schedule those one-on-one conferences. I've also included in the course resource a parent folder, so for your parents to find any information that they may need with the course. Something that I think is really important is that I do use the calendar. So on the calendar, I will always have our due dates. So if you look for September, it's going to tell you what's due and it will have the time. And you can just click on that assignment and it takes you directly into the discussion board, and that discussion board is due next Monday. There's also a link on how to link your Schoology calendar with your Google Calendar. If you're a person who likes to use Google Calendar and that's all you use, then you can also have your Schoology assignment show up on that. The updates, if I need to push out information for that day, I will have the updates, and that's probably the best way to communicate with all of you via email instead of email, is just quick updates so that you are notified of any changes or any important dates that I have to get out to you. But if you have any questions about how this course will be set up on Schoology, just let me know. Thank you.